Ditch the design limitations and unlock ultimate control. Let's transform your Webflow masterpiece into a fully functional WordPress site in just a few steps. First, head over to your Webflow project. Click the three dots next to your project's name in the project dashboard. In the drop-down menu, select Export Code. This will download a zip file containing all your HTML, CSS, and assets. Unzip that downloaded file to access all the necessary files. Keep this folder handy, we'll need it soon. Now, jump over to your WordPress dashboard. Go to Plugins and click Add New. Search for a plugin called HTML Import. Install and activate this plugin. It's the key to importing your Webflow design. Once activated, find the HTML Import plugin in your WordPress settings or tools menu. Click on the Browse button and upload your unzipped Webflow folder here. Change the radio button to import into one page, and check prefix attachments. Leave other setting in default, then click Submit. Your Webflow design is now imported into a single WordPress page. You may need to make some minor adjustments using the WordPress editor to ensure everything looks perfect. Congratulations! Your stunning Webflow design is now living comfortably within the powerful WordPress ecosystem. Now you have the best of both worlds.